everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm with the lovely Bailey and we're going to show you this amazing braid style that we came up with. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off by just creating a sort of arc shape with the hair. So wherever I start this is where the braid is going to sort of sit from. So it all just kind of depends on how big you want that braid to be at the top. So same on other side, guys, trying to make it as symmetrical as you can. Okay, so with the middle part, I'm just going to pop that into a bobble for now. So next I'm going to do another part and I'm just going to follow the same line as this one, if I can. I'm not fantastic at this, I've got to say. So I'm just going to pin this out of the way, like so, and we're going to be doing a really tight little braid here, and the braid's going to come down here and finish there. So I'm going to use a little bit of wax spray because I want this braid to be really clean and tight. So just taking a small section of hair, breaking it into 3, and we're going to be going under, 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 and adding a small section in, under, adding a small section in. Bailey's getting a facelift. So just a nice tight little braid, whichever braid you feel comfortable doing, you do here. If you really don't like braiding, you could do like a little elastics bubble braid as an option, or you could just sleek this hair back. So I'm really kind of following the braid around the ear. I want the braid to sit right there. So I'm just going to take this braid as far down as I can. So releasing this one down, and we're going to repeat the same process. So taking a little section and we're doing the same little braids. So just getting the last little one here. So next what I'm going to do is just use a little tiny topsy tail like that. I'm going to push that through the braid, like so. I get this braid here and we're going to just really gently pull this through. And then that has pushed this braid forward, and that one's going to sit over Bailey's shoulder and this one's going to sit at the back. So I just want you to repeat exactly the same on the other side. I'll do a quick edited version for you. An elastic in at the end. So we're coming to the centre piece now, and this bit is super easy, really simple. So we're going to take a slice of hair and we're going to pop it into a pony. We're going to get our trusty little topsy tail, and the first one we're going to come forward. So it goes from the back, forward. Now before we go any further, we're going to texturise this. So I'm just holding onto the elastic so it doesn't hurt Bailey. And pull in the centre and pull these front bits as well. Then we're going to take another slice of hair. I'm going to pop this into a ponytail. And from here on in, we're going to make these all go the other way. So they're going to flip, instead of that way, we're going to flip upwards. So this time the little topsy tail comes here. And then just really gently pull that through. All the way through. Like so. And we've created almost like a little braid strand here. So I'm just going to again tease the sides out. You can kind of make this style as big as you want to, depending on how much pulling you want to do. So you can decide with this hairstyle just how big you want to pull it. Okay, so me and Bailey usually go for quite a big pulled out braid, but you don't have to. So we push that through there, take the tail and grab that through there. And then we really gently just pull this up. So last one just going in here. So this bit is optional, but I'm going to create some volume in this ponytail because I feel like it'll balance up the big braid on the head. So you could just continue that technique down the ponytail if you wanted to, but I do love Bailey with a pony at the bottom, but completely up to you. Whatever you prefer. So just gently brushing through the very top layer of this. And as you can see, that back comb has just given us a really nice little poof to the pony. So that is our style finished. We're just going to give you a little spin 360. I think it looks really different, really unusual. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.